Ecosyn SCF is taking 3 different products and combining them into one simple solution. And Ecosyn SCF consists of a hexagon nut that has 2 captive washers on it. One is a flat washer, the other is a conical washer. They are both captivated on the nut and effectively creates 2 free spinning washers affixed to one hexagon nut.
What's unique about this is typically in fastening joints for bus bars, these would be 3 separate components. We actually combined them all together into one.
This has great benefits for installation times on an assembly line. It reduces the possibility of operator error, where one component in the stack could be omitted during assembly.
Another benefit for this is the reduced amount of items on your bill of materials. So instead of managing 3 separate line items, you're actually managing just one. Takes up less space in the factory and less complications during the ordering process.
The biggest benefit to the customer is going to be in cost savings. And that's cost savings in terms of material and cost savings in terms of assembly time saved.
Currently, these are being used at a lot of electric vehicle car makers and manufacturers, and it's used in the battery packs in these.
In a typical electrical application, you have dissimilar metals that are clamped together, whether that be in a bus bar or part of some sort of electrical conduit in a power delivery system. Similar metals have differing coefficients of linear thermal expansion.
So what's really helping with this is with that flat washer, it's actually spreading out the clamp load to help prevent embedment going into the copper bus bars or aluminum bus bars. And then the conical washer there's actually for expansion and contraction into those. So there's really big benefits obviously with that because you're keeping constant tension on there and preventing hot spots from happening on the bus bar.
The Ecosyn SCF is an innovation that was born out of necessity. And now it is going to be an industry mainstay for years to come.